So this is the Lucef fan slash light. It takes Makita batteries. Comes with a remote, which did not have the 2 AAA batteries that it requires. But it looks like on the remote it's got timers. And then of course the light and fan controls. On the actual tool, it's just one button. Turns the fan on. And to skip through speeds, you do quick presses and you do a long press to turn the light on. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm not sure how long, maybe like 3 seconds. Yeah, that's level 2 brightness. Let's see if there's a third. Yep, 3 levels of brightness. And then I'm assuming the next one's going to just turn it off. Yep. Comes with this little lanyard. And yeah, sorry, I don't have batteries to demonstrate the remote, but kind of interesting.